Hey, this is Terence Young with this week's business tip. This week, I want to talk to you about business cards, right? The importance of having business card. Now, some people say business cards aren't important and things like that because everything is on electronic and social media. Business cards are very important to have. Make sure you have a business card, okay? Now, here's something crazy. I went to a networking event last week. Great event. I mean, met a lot of great people, seen some people I haven't seen in a long time. It was an awesome event. Here's the thing though. As I'm networking with people and I would ask them for their business card, some of them would tell me they don't have business cards. Now, my question is, how do you come to a networking event and not have business cards? That's crazy to me. But I get it. I've done it in the past, forgot. But here's the thing. Even at networking events, it's actually more important to grab other people's cards so you can put them in your database so you could contact them later at a later time. When it comes to collecting cards, I'm a master at it, right? But you just never know who you might need to run into or for whatever reason, right? But here's the thing. You must have business cards, okay? How else will potential clients, um, people giving you referrals and things like that be able to contact you? They need that business card, okay? Make sure you have it. Now, what should your business card consist of? Of course, the obvious, the name, your name, preferably your address if you have an office, um, phone number, email, website, of course, and maybe a statement of what you do. Okay. Like your company name, logo, but a statement of what you do. Now, here's one of the biggest mistakes that I see. And I'm actually guilty of it myself because by us being entrepreneurs, sometimes we do more than one thing. And what we end up doing is putting everything that we do on the business card. We have this XYZ on the front, ABC on the back. We just got this whole thing of a plethora of things that we do, right? So, first of all, that makes the cards look so busy. And then when somebody else is actually looking at the card, now let me make a quick exception. I mean, maybe unless you're a contractor or something and you do drywall, plaster, painting and so on. That's kind of where I see it might be okay at. But if you're not really in that realm and you have a little bit of everything that you do in your company, that card is going to look so busy, right? And then somebody grabbing that card, there's not a clear picture and understanding of what it is that you do. So now it kind of looks like you're all over the place, right? Whereas I believe if you have a clear, precise detail of what it is that you do and how these people can contact you, whether when they need that service, and once they contact you and however the conversation goes, now you could go into these other things that your company can also offer. So make sure, please make sure you get business cards for your business. Okay. I love going to Vistaprint. Vistaprint, real simple, especially if you're a startup and you're first getting your business cards. They're not that expensive. And here's the thing, don't go cheap on the cards. Get the thick cards, all right? You want a card that's nice. You don't want something paper thin that's gonna just ball up and crease up in somebody's pocket. Have a good quality card because that is a reflection of you and your business. Okay. All right. So that's this week's business tip. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, please feel free to comment below, like and subscribe. Share this with somebody else that you think that may benefit. Um, Just real quick, my name is Terence Young. I'm the owner of eFunder. We are a commercial mortgage brokerage. We help real estate investors and business owners save time and money by finding and securing the right type of financing that's needed for their business in order to grow their business. You all take care.